How to get a flat stomach. All you need to do is give this 5 minutes belly workout a go every day, and you'll see a flatter stomach in just 7 days. You can do it at home, no special equipment needed, and it's literally the fastest workout ever. Before continuing the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Standing knee raises. Standing knee raises is a functional abdominal exercise for boosting strength throughout the core. Get in a starting position. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart or closer. Raise your arms straight up. Contract your abs. To begin the exercise, lift the right knee up. Tuck your pelvis and bring the knee as close to your chest as possible. Simultaneously crunch your upper body down and bring your hands to the knee you just raised. Forcefully exhale during this part of the movement. In a controlled motion, return back to the starting position. Inhale on the way back. Now repeat the same thing with the other knee. Knee tucks. Knee tucks are a killer way to strengthen your legs, flatten your belly, and get some fast, intense cardio benefits. Stand with feet hip width apart and knees bent. Jump up and pull knees toward the chest. Land both feet together softly and with knees slightly bent. Repeat. Bicycle crunch. The bicycle crunch is an effective belly exercise, reaching not only the usual abs but also the deep abs and the obliques. Lie on your back on the floor. Press your lower back into the floor and bend knees while keeping feet flat on the floor. Place hands behind head, interlacing fingers if preferred. Keep elbows wide and gently cradle your head in your hands. Bring your knees up, with shins parallel to the floor, as you lift shoulder blades off the floor. As you straighten left leg out at about a 45-degree angle, turn your upper body to the right, bringing left elbow toward right knee. Return to center, with both knees bent and elbows wide. Repeat on the other side, straighten right leg to a 45-degree angle and turn your upper body to the left, bringing right elbow toward left knee. Return to the starting position to complete 1 rep. Twisting side plank. Twisting planks are amazing because they can tone your waist. They do this by strengthening the muscles in your core. Come into a side plank on your right side, with your feet stacked one on top of the other and your weight on your right elbow with your fingers reaching away from your body, palm down. Place your left arm behind your head, and inhale to prepare. Exhale and pull your navel to your spine to engage your deep abs, and rotate your left rib cage toward the floor. Stay there for a second, and deepen your abdominal connection, pulling your navel in toward your spine even more. Return to starting position, and then switch sides to complete 1 rep. These exercises are ideal for a home workout. You do not need any special equipment to perform them, just your own body and your own will. Please feel free to share with us in the comments which exercise is your favorite and which one you think has helped you the most.